There is a story from olden days China that more or less everyone in China knows. A long time ago, there was a boy who wanted to be a monk and lose himself in this nature. One day, the boy goes to his guru and tells the guru that I want to be a monk. Then the guru says, do you really want to be a monk or do you just want to be a monk? Then the boy said, when I've come to be a monk, what will I do by showing my monkhood? I want to be a monk. Then the guru said, okay, this is our last meeting. After today, you will never come to me again. When needed, I will go to you myself. There are 500 monks in this ashram. You have to cook daily for these 500 monks. And from today onwards, this is your job. It is said that the boy went on to prepare food in a room for the next 12 years. There were 500 monks in that monastery. The boy used to prepare food for everyone. He would start preparing food as soon as he woke up in the morning. He would fall asleep at night when he was tired. In this way, 12 years pass. The boy did not go to his guru even once in these 12 years. The boy believed that when Gurudev told me that he would come to me when needed, then I don't need to think about all this anymore. In the beginning, many kinds of thoughts used to come in the boy's mind, but the boy thinks, when I have to prepare food all day, what is the use of thinking so much? Gradually, all thoughts disappeared from the boy's mind. The boy would wake up in the morning, prepare food, and fall asleep at night. And I thought that when the guru had said that I had to prepare the food, all questions were over. And since the guru has said so, maybe this is the right thing for me. After 12 years of preparing food, all thoughts stopped coming to the boy's mind. The boy's mind becomes completely calm and empty. No more thoughts, no more thoughts, no more hopes, no more desires. One job, waking up in the morning, preparing food, and falling asleep again at night. For the past 12 years, this has been the life of that boy. And the boy keeps on doing his work without any worries. After 12 years, one day the guru announces that my time has come to leave. Anyone among you who wants to be my successor should write 4 lines on the wall of my house tonight. The line in which the truth of our lives will be hidden. But whatever you write, it should be your own thoughts. It should be your own experience. Hearing this announcement, every disciple gets a little scared, because it is not easy to deceive the guru. Every disciple has read the scriptures, but among all the disciples, the wisest one very bravely wrote 4 lines on the outer wall of the Gurudev's house that night. The disciple writes that our mind is like a mirror on which dust gets accumulated. And once the dust is cleaned, the mirror will be clean again and you will be able to see everything clearly again. Then in the morning, Gurudev gets up and he sees the writing on the wall and shouts, "Who fool has spoiled my wall? Catch him and bring him to me." The disciple who had written this ran away from the ashram at night after writing on the wall, because he was very scared, because the words he had written were not his own. Whatever was written there was stolen from a scripture. The lines written on the wall were beautiful, but those lines were not of the disciple's own. On leaving, the disciple tells the friends of his ashram, if in the morning the guru gets up and says that the lines are very beautiful, then inform me, but if the guru gets angry after reading my writing, then don't tell my address to anyone. All the disciples of the ashram get worried that these words are very beautiful. Our mind is like a mirror on which dust of our thoughts and feelings gets accumulated. And once these dusts are cleaned, the mind becomes clean again. The rest of the disciples think, why didn't Gurudev like this thing? And the rest of the disciples think to themselves, now let's see from where the guru brings better words than this. After this, 3 monks were passing by the food-making boy, saying this. The boy hears the words of those 3, and he starts laughing after hearing their words. One of the 3 says, "Why are you laughing?" After this, the boy says, "Gurudev has said the right thing. Who fool has written this on the wall?" Hearing this, the 3 of them get a little shocked and says, "You have been preparing food only for the last 12 years, and we have been reading scriptures for 12 years, and now you will tell us what is right and what is wrong?" After this, one of the 3 says, "Can you write something better than this?" After this, the boy says, "I have forgotten to write while preparing food for 12 years, but I can say, if someone writes it, but remember one thing, I have no desire to be a successor. If I have to become a successor after reading my writing, then forgive me. I don't want to write." After this, the 3 of them say, "You just say and we will write it." After this, the boy says, "Go to the wall and write, what kind of mirror? What kind of dust? No mirror, no dust. He who understands this will attain self-realization." After this, the guru reads that writing, and the guru comes to the boy who is preparing food at midnight and says, "Run away from here now, because these 500 monks will kill you, and you take this gift of mine. It doesn't matter whether you want to be my successor or not. but you are my successor, and I have accepted you as my successor, but you run away from the ashram now. Because these 500 monks will not let you live. They will not be able to accept that a monk who prepares food has attained self-realization, and they have only been reading scriptures. So you leave tonight. This story ends here. And once Gautam Buddha tells one of his disciples that the day your brain stops thinking, that day you will see the truth, you will understand yourself and this nature, and this is the first step to attain self-realization. To calm the thoughts that come to your mind, Gautam Buddha tells a way, and that is to observe the thoughts that come to your mind. What is going on inside your head? What kind of thoughts are going on? To observe them. But it does not mean that we should stop our thoughts. If you do this, then more and more thoughts will start coming to your mind. You just have to watch your mind. Many kinds of thoughts will come to your mind, but you have to observe those thoughts. You have to watch carefully. In the beginning, you will not be able to do it easily, but after a few days, you will see that you are able to understand all the thoughts that come to your mind very well. And then gradually, the extra thoughts that come to your mind will decrease. And when you keep doing this process, you will see that after a while, extra thoughts will stop coming to your mind. Then you will not worry about your past and future. You will always live in the present. And whatever is in front of you at present, you will be able to give your full attention to it. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.